Ahora conéctese la...
Conecta aquí si quieres para hacer la jugada.
Ay, se lo cambio, compa.
Ajá. Este pichi no se cambia, ni se vende, ni se alquila. ¿Jalará con eso o le pongo los otros?
Ahí se hace.
¿Quién se está trabajando?
Ya, cuarto. This one is regular. It's a 5.3, 4.8 non-fuel flex. The fuel flex has some type of oil passages because the block has some oil holes. So that's why when you crank it, it goes up and down. But when you get it running, it shuts down the number piston cylinder number 2, one of the valves of the no, not the valves, the lifters, because it blocks the oil passages. So this is gonna be, again, this is not the same one. The other one is different. Let me show you the block. This block right here is a 5.3 with the fuel flex. You see this right here? That's what it is. Especially cylinder number 2. Those are the oil passages. So those are the ones. Cylinder number 2 only has this thing. Cylinder number 1, it does not have it. So number 2, this is the one, and this is the one is not activated on this side.